In 1957, the world's first satellite launched more than just the space race. Sputnik also kick-started what was to become one of the applied physics laboratory's defining innovations: satellite-based global navigation. Radio operators around the world tracked the signal from the satellite, including two physicists at APL, Bill Geyer and George Weifenbach, who made a great discovery. By observing the Doppler shift in its signals, they could determine Sputnik's orbit. With these findings, others at the lab realized if you could accurately locate the satellite, you could also use the Doppler shift to pinpoint the listening station on Earth. And it was this idea that sparked a new initiative, the Navigation Satellite Program. The basic design for this global navigation system wasn't developed over months, or even weeks, but a weekend. Getting something off the ground would take a bit more time. But the Navy saw the strategic advantage a system like this could provide, and with support from DARPA, APL began the task of designing and building the first experimental navigation satellite. And in 1959, less than 2 years after Sputnik, Transit 1A was launched. Although no orbit was achieved, it was successful in gathering enough data to further develop what would become the Transit Navigation System. 1960 saw more transit satellite launches, each bringing new innovations. In 1964, the system entered naval service with a small, fully operational constellation of satellites, providing accurate positioning data to submarines and ships, giving our fleet a decisive advantage. With continuous experimentation and refinement, by 1968 the Navy had the first global satellite navigation system, made up of 36 satellites orbiting the Earth. Transit continued to operate until 1996, when it was replaced by the current Global Positioning System. Today, satellite navigation works for more than just the Navy. It's on our dashboards and in the palm of our hands. And it all started with a simple challenge that led to a revolutionary idea and became Transit, the system for satellite-based global navigation, another defining innovation from the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory.